Hello everyone and welcome to another FX Centrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover Bitcoin dollar, and we might see potential for the downside, at least pullback in this market, and we'll go through the reasons behind this downside idea. So this is the 1 hour time frame, and what we can see here is that the market did trade higher. There was a strong push higher and almost to the 80 level or so on the other side, this point here. And we have a wide range bar, and then there was a reaction also with no follow through around this 106,000, let's say 500 area. So we back into the Bollinger Band. There is at least chance from my perspective for a pullback towards the, for example, 104,000, 104,000, maybe even lower. So if we can, for example, put protective stop, I just take the short position tool in this example, and then I put a potential protective stop to be around 106,000, let's say 106,900 area. So just to see if the market can trade lower towards the 104,000 or something like 103,000 or sub 104,000 mark. We have about 2 times bigger reward versus initial risk. Also, another alternative for protective stop around 107,220. So in this area here, and protective stop to have about 2 times bigger reward versus initial risk. Okay, so this is like just more like a pullback, potentially even further downside movement with a relatively tight stop. Again, this is a counter short-term trend kind of idea. But this is probably the best at this point so far today. I also need to mention that the gold market idea that we had last Friday pretty much exploded in our favor. So we have a strong move higher, and we also post about this, a massive winner on the gold market from last week. So Bitcoin dollar, short idea, or like a pullback, or maybe even something bigger, but this is at least initially idea. Feel free to subscribe on our YouTube channel, leave the comments below. You can use the promo code, you can see here the promo code. You can use this code for 20% off or any prop from challenge from FX Centrum, and they have a link in the description of the video to check more about it. And that will be all from my view. Take care, trade successfully, and speak to you soon.